Hello everyone, please join us in seeing Texas, a vast and diverse land. Here, the number of wild boars has reached a staggering 3 million. This situation not only highlights the problem of wildlife management, but also makes Texas one of the states with the highest densities of feral swine in the United States, which is truly unique in its ecological and cultural context and the environment of this country. The invasion of wild boars into urban areas is not only a worrying phenomenon, but also has significant ecological consequences. These wild animals, known for their voracious nature and unselective feeding habits, have disturbed natural habitat. They constantly uproot native plants, degrade the ecosystem, and destroy the natural landscape of the area, thereby negatively affecting biodiversity and ecological balance in the places they live. In Dallas, especially in areas bordering forest, residents have encountered wild boars rummaging through trash cans, seriously disrupting local traffic and even destroying many areas. Public entertainment, their presence has shaken the order and beauty of the city here. To deal with and control this invasive animal, hunters in Texas have developed specific strategies. Bows and shotguns are the main weapons used in this mission. Join us to explore the challenging but equally exciting process of hunting wild boar for hunters. Bow and arrow hunting is not only part of the deep cultural heritage of hunting in Texas, but also a harmonious combination of tradition and necessity in the struggle against invading forces. Threaten the environment. This is a testament to the sophistication of human skill and respect for nature while maintaining a delicate balance between ethical perspectives and ecological requirements. To hunt wild boars, hunters need to understand and master the art of stealth. They must be sophisticated in using compound bows or recurve bows, depending on their strengths and hunting style. Wild boars, with their sharp survival instincts and extremely sensitive ability to detect scent and sound, are always formidable opponents. The hunter must approach the prey quietly, often combining camouflage techniques and choosing a moving route against the wind direction to eliminate any possibility of being detected by the opponent, thereby increasing the chance of success in every hunt. Accuracy is the deciding factor. During the hunt, the hunter always targets vital areas of his prey, usually the heart or lungs, to ensure a quick and humane death. This requires not only extensive knowledge of the boar's anatomy, but also absolute steadfastness and calm under all pressure. An effective shot is usually made at a maximum distance of 30 yards, where not only accuracy, but also bravery and emotional control are tested to the maximum. However, compared to guns, bows have a significantly shorter effective range, typically only between 30 and 40 yards to achieve the accuracy needed for a humane shot. Not only does this increase the challenge of hunting wild boars, animals known for their toughness and unpredictability, but it also makes getting close to these dangerous animals riskier. With the limitations placed on hunters by bows and arrows, the sound of shotguns echoing across the fields and forests of Texas has become a familiar sound, signaling the ongoing war against an invasive terrorist species, pigs. Forest. Typically, hunters choose to use 12-gauge shotguns loaded with slugs or shotgun shells to face powerful and often aggressive wild boars. This weapon provides powerful stopping power, suitable for hunting needs, especially in dense areas or wooded forests where wild boars often congregate. The 12-gauge shotgun becomes the ideal choice for quick and effective action at close range. One of the outstanding advantages of shotguns in controlling wild boars is their powerful stopping ability. Because wild boars, which typically weigh up to 200 pounds, display aggression when they feel threatened, the powerful kinetic force emitted by each shotgun shot provides an almost immediate solution to concealment for a wild boar. However, shotgun noise not only reduces the quality of human life, but also seriously affects wildlife. Loud and unexpected sounds can cause stress, disorient animals, and even change their natural behavior. This can lead to an imbalance in the ecosystem of that area. In particular, using shotguns requires compliance with strict safety measures. The gun has a high recoil force and requires meticulous control and a high level of safety, all of which require a high level of skill that cannot be grasped. Hunters need to undergo detailed training to be able to safely handle these weapons, adding to the complexity and responsibility of using them. Bows and arrows and shotguns have certain limitations, it cannot be denied that these two methods have contributed significantly to controlling the wild boar population in Texas. Therefore, hunters need to consider carefully choosing a weapon suitable for the weather conditions and surrounding environment, and above all, suitable for their skills to achieve optimal effectiveness in hunting. Wild boar hunting trips. Are you more impressed with bows and arrows or shotguns? Please share your thoughts in the comments section. Thank you for watching the video until the last minute. Looking forward to seeing you again in upcoming videos.